Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use zip files in Minecraft. Zip files are super handy for organizing and sharing game content like resource packs, custom worlds, and even mods. They essentially bundle many files into one, making them easy to download and manage. We'll cover the simple steps to get your new content into the game, whether it needs extraction or can be dropped in directly. Let's dive right into enhancing your Minecraft experience. First up, let's talk about resource packs. To install one, simply open your Minecraft game directory and find the resource packs folder. You don't need to extract these. Just drag the entire zip file directly into that folder. Once it's there, launch Minecraft, go to your options, then resource packs, and move your new pack from the available list to the selected list. It's a straightforward process to change your game's look. Next, let's add a custom world to your game. You'll need to locate your Minecraft saves folder, which is also in your main game directory. For world saves, it's crucial to extract the zip file. Make sure the extracted folder, containing files like level.dat and region data, is placed directly inside the saves folder. Once extracted correctly, your new world will appear in your single-player world list when you launch the game. Finally, let's touch on mods and other types of zip files. For mods, you'll typically need a mod loader like Forge or Fabric installed first. Once your loader is set up, you'll find a mods folder where you can place the mod's zip file. However, some complex files might have unique installation steps, so always check the creator's instructions. Following these guidelines will help you expand your Minecraft adventures safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.